So for woody plants, we're going to look at what kind of rates of fertilizer you're going to apply. And we're going to look at two different types of fertilizers. One is a slow release and the other is quick release. You'll notice that the rates are different for those. The slow release, you want to apply between 2 and 4 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. And the quick release, you want to apply 1 to 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Now for either of these, you can break up your application in the spring and again in the fall, or you could apply it all in the spring. The key is that for both of them, you really want to apply them when the plants are actively growing and the root system is actively taking up those nutrients. That's particularly important with quick release fertilizers. And the other component of what it makes a slow or a quick release fertilizer is the type of nitrogen that you're using. So in most cases, a slow release fertilizer, which we do mostly recommend for woody plants, is going to have a lot more ammonium in it than the quick release. And the quick release will typically have more nitrate. And so nitrate does not bind well to the soil particles, so it'll often leach into the water system. So that's why it's really important to apply it when the plant is actively taking it up. The other thing that you want to consider is the age of the plant. If it's a mature tree and your goal is simply to maintain vitality, then you may be on the lower end of one of these rates, more at the 2 pounds of nitrogen. But if it's a young plant and you're actually trying to spur growth or increase growth, and the tree is otherwise healthy, then you may want to apply at the 4-pound rate. So these numbers, these ranges, have come about from research and practical experience where people are seeing kind of how plants respond to that different rate of fertilizer. And so the one thing that you really want to think about when you're designing your prescription for your fertility program is the type of fertilizer and, again, the goal of why you're fertilizing, as well as the age of the plant material.